Hello students, welcome to Elements Costing Methods and Techniques class. In today's class also we are going to solve one more problem on operating costing. Okay, so here is the problem. Vijayananda Travels runs a mini bus between Hubli and Dharwad covering a distance of 20 kilometers. The cost of bus is rupees 1 lakh and is insured at 3% per annum. Other expenses are as under. Now these are the expenses they have given. Annual road tax, garage rent, annual repairs, conductor's salary, driver's salary, manager's salary, stationery, petrol and oil. The life of the bus is 5 years. It makes two round trips from Hubli to Dharwad, carrying on an average 25 passengers in each trip. Okay, it runs for 25 days in a month on an average. Prepare the operating cost sheet showing the cost per passenger kilometer. Okay, so this is what is the problem. Now here whatever expenses they have given, few they have given annual expenses and few they have given per month. So accordingly we need to calculate. Remember this operating cost sheet, whatever we prepare, that will be for a month. Okay, so write down Vijayananda Travels, then operating cost sheet for the month. Particulars rupees, two amount columns. First one is standing charges. Okay, now here we have annual road tax. Annual road tax. So annual it is for the year, so we need to calculate it for 1 month, so divided by 12 months. Okay, yes, now calculate this. So it is around 167. Next comes is garage rent. Now garage rent per month already they have given, so 400 we are going to take it as it is. Annual repairs, this we are going to take it for the second point. Next is conductor salary. Per month they have given 500. Okay. Next, driver's salary per month. Driver's salary per month is 1000. Next is manager's salary. Manager's salary 2000. Stationery 100. Okay, now petrol and oil, that will come for this running expenses. Okay, now make a total and take it. No, before that, here they have given life of the bus 5 years they have given. Okay, now cost of bus they have given. Okay, now insurance also they have given. Okay, now we will have to calculate this, right? Okay. Okay, take down working note. Calculation of depreciation. Okay, now depreciation is equals to cost minus scrap divided by life of the bus. Okay, everybody knows this formula. Now next line. Now cost of the bus is already given, that is 1 lakh rupees. Okay, we don't have scrap, so nil, divided by life of the bus is 5 years. Right? Okay, which is equals to 20,000 per annum. It is 20,000 per annum. Okay, now next, depreciation for a month, which is equals to 20,000 divided by 12 months. Okay, now that's equal to 1,667. We have rounded it. Now here, go to the chart and take depreciation. In bracket you can write note number 1. Okay, amount is 1,667. Now next is insurance. I have given, right? Insurance is at 3%, so that also we will calculate. So take down next calculation, working note, calculation of insurance. Now this will be calculated on cost price of bus. Now cost price of bus is 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh into 3%. So that will be equal to 3,000. This also will be per annum. Now next line, insurance for a month, which is equals to 3,000 divided by 12 months. Hope so everybody is understanding. Okay, now which will be equal to 250. 250. So here in chart, insurance, note number 2, and the amount is 250. Okay, go through the problem. If anything, if we have left out, I guess we have taken everything. Now make a total. That will be 6,084. Now next, repairs and maintenance. Okay, now here they have given repairs, annual repairs they have given. Annual repairs, in bracket you can show the calculation, that is for a year they have given 2,360 divided by 12 months. Okay, yes, and it is 197. Next is running or operating charges. Now running and operating charges, what information they have given, just go through the problem once. Petrol and oil per 100 kilometers is 250. Now we need to see like how many kilometers the bus has run. Okay, the next working note will be calculation of total running of bus in a month. Okay, now how many kilometers the bus has run? Check here, Hubli and Dharwad covering a distance of 20 kilometers, right? And it makes two round trips. For one round trip, 2 trips we used to take. Now it is 2 round trip. It means 4 trips we need to take. Okay. So here it is 20 kilometers into 4 trips, which will be equals to 80 kilometers, right? So this is first step. The second step is per day bus will run for 80 kilometers. Okay, now we are calculating it for a month. Now for that particular month, it works for 25 days. Bus will be on road for 25 days. Okay, so 80 kilometers into 25 days. So 2000 kilometers. Okay, yes. Now here cross multiplication we can make kilometers and rupees. Okay, now for 100 kilometers, for 100 kilometers it is 250. So this is given in the problem. Now for 2000 kilometers, how much will be the amount? Question mark. Next line, 2000 into 250 divided by 100. So that is equals to rupees 5000. So that is equals to rupees 5000. So here petrol and oil. Petrol and oil. So you can write here note number 3. Okay. So that is 5000. Okay, now make a total. So that will be 11,281. 11,281. So this is called as total operating cost. Total operating cost. Okay. Now we need to calculate passenger kilometer. Now we all know the formula to calculate passenger kilometer. Number of buses into number of trips into distance into capacity of each bus into number of days into actual capacity utilized. Now this will be equals to number of buses, as there is one bus, into number of trips is it makes 2 round trips. So we need to take 2 trips into distance is 20 kilometers. 20 kilometers into capacity, that is capacity of each bus is 25, right? Just go through the problem and check it. 25 passengers, 25 passengers into number of days is 25 days into actual capacity utilized is 100%. Okay, yes. Now calculate this, which will be equals to 50,000. Okay, now we will calculate cost per passenger kilometer. So for that the formula is total operating cost divided by total passenger kilometer, which is equals to total operating cost. Total operating cost is 11,281 divided by total passenger kilometer is 50,000. Okay. Now, which will be equal to 11,281 divided by 50,000. Okay, so which is equals to rupees 0.2256, or you can take 0.23. So this is what is the problem. Okay, hope so everybody has understood this problem. Go through the problem once again, and we will solve another 2 problems on this chapter. Then I'll wind up and we will start with your 3rd unit. Okay, please go through the problem, solve it. See you in next class.